Good morning, Mike with Atlas Rim Repair here. This morning, we're going to be doing, I think it's all four wheels on this X4 BMW. Uh, it's got curb rash pretty much all the way around the wheel. Some of it we are going to have to grind out, and we'll sand it out with the probably 180 and then 320 grit, and then we'll repaint it. I'm going to be using the Tesla color on this. It'll be Sonic Silver. But let me get started here. There will be links in the description for the tools that I use to do this, as well as my contact information. If you're in Phoenix area and you need some wheels repaired and you don't want to do it yourself, just give me a call. Let me get set up here and we'll get going on this. I'm going to try to take the damage out with the red disc. If that doesn't work, I'll switch down to the 50 grit. All right, so everything came out with the red disc, so I'm going to skip the 180 and go straight to the 320 grit. So what we're doing here is getting the scratch marks out from the grinder and also reshaping the wheel where I had to grind it where it's kind of flat. All right, so the sanding's done. Now we're going to scuff everywhere where we're going to paint and clear. So there is going to be no link, at least so far, to the paint. I haven't found a reputable online seller that carries that yet. I will keep looking. I'll find somebody. But you can go to any automotive paint store. If you already know what color you need, you just ask them for that. They have books that'll have all the color codes for every make and model and the different options that are available for that car. Let's see if we can get this shield in here. This has those, I don't know what they call them, rim protector tires. Clearly didn't work. All right, and then we'll clear coat over everywhere we just painted. It's already, it's like 8:15, 8:30 here, and it's already over 90. So when I mixed my clear, I did add some blender to it to thin it out, and that also helps it blend into the existing finish. You can also spray the blender after you put the clear on. All right, and first wheel is done. If you're enjoying these videos, if you wouldn't mind subscribing, that would help the channel out a lot. See you on the next wheel.